Hello and welcome to Dancing Numbers. After installing and connecting Dancing Numbers with QuickBooks Desktop, we can start importing, exporting, or deleting the information as required. To begin exporting the information, we can click on Start. And here from the QuickBooks Export type, from the drop-down list, we can choose any of the available list or the transaction type to be exported into Excel. Today, we are going to choose sales receipts to be exported into Excel and click Next. Now, if you would like to export the sales receipts for the specific customer, you can specify the customer's name, or you can also specify the date range or the specific date as well. Also, if you would like to specify the sale number or the sales receipt number, you can do that and click Next. Now this is going to show us the detail based on the previous selection. And here we can click on Choose Fields to select the appropriate fields that needs to be exported into Excel and click OK. And click Next again. Now this is the final preview of what information will be exported into Excel, and we can click on Export File. Now if you would like to export this information into a new workbook, you can choose that to be exported into a new Excel sheet, or if you have an existing Excel sheet open and saved, you can choose that one as well and click OK. Now all the sales receipt information based on our filters and the requirements have now been exported into Excel. Thank you.